Welcome to Top 5 Auto Advice. The camshaft position sensor now performs the same function as the crankshaft position sensor. But what about the camshaft? In theory, the engine can now run solely on a crank sensor. However, adding a camshaft position sensor provides the ECU with a much more complete picture. It also serves as an additional layer of verification for the crankshaft position sensor provides data. A camshaft position sensor now informs the ECU what each cylinder is doing and when is it doing it, and it can be used for this purpose. For instance, cylinder-specific knot control and sequential injection, as well as other cylinder selective systems. The cam sensor operates in the same manner as the crank sensor. The only distinction is that it reads a smaller trigger wheel with fewer teeth, due to the size of the camshaft. To read the position of the camshaft, the cam position sensor must be near it. You'll usually find it somewhere on the cam cover, either at the front or at the back of the camshaft, or, less frequently, somewhere along the camshaft's axis.